doing a wig today. No matter which way your faith is supposed to stay.
Now I can preach this if I want to.
Let's sing it together. You remember when Sherelle did that? Well,
we're gonna be ignorant on top of ignorant today, huh?
The brush side, the comb side, and this the scoop side. A lot of people don't know that. I'm finna blow y'all whole mind. This is the scoop the edge control out of the container and plaster it upon your edge. Look, somebody out there like,
girl, I knew that. Carry on. And I ain't even do nothing but put the wig on.
yeah, I'm just saying, if you going for that show enough, I melted this lace like a Snicker bar on the dirt road in the middle of July in Mississippi. You want to get that clear lace. Listen, let me tell you something. When my husband get home, I'm about to be so extra. And the church say, what is this? Oh my gosh. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay. What's up, what's up? I just want to open up the doors of the church by saying welcome and thank you for the time that you spend with me. I appreciate y'all so much. Let the church say subscribe. We're doing a wig today, and this wig has been brought to you by Chris Beauty. Y'all know I love me some Chris Beauty because the lace is lace tabulous, fabulous. But I forgot which wig this is, to be truthfully honest. I don't know. So we're going to open this box. We're going to see what's off up in this box in a minute. But you know, first I got to show love to my subscriber of the day. Bam! Cousin on my YouTube side. My YouTube side. Oh, you the bomb. That kind. Okay. Oh, that's my mail lady. It's a window right there and I can see what's going on. So when I see stuff, but with my peripheralism of it, I'm able to just turn and get to the business. Bam, right there. Once again, this wig has been brought to you by Chris Beauty. What's up up in this box, Let's see it together. Hey, you remember when Sherelle did that? Let's sing it together. Bam. Let me see what this is. Oh, it's some color. Oh, I got some color. Had I known that, I wouldn't have been so egg on my face. I would have been a little bit more neutral. Well,
we're gonna be ignorant on top of ignorant today, huh?
I love these combs right here. I love them. I cannot have enough. The edge whisper. Bam. Focus. You want to get the bear? Come on now. There you go. This is when you need to whisper upon your edges. Your edge whisper. Bam has the brush side, the comb side, and this the scoop side. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of folk don't talk about this. I'm finna blow y'all whole mind. This is the scoop the edge control out of the container and plaster it upon your edges. Look, somebody out there like,
girl, I knew that. Carry on.
And here's an elastic band if you want to use it. I love the fact that it is not attached because a lot of times I don't use it. So you can attach this for more snugtivity if you would like to.
We can. Bam.
Wig cap. They sent some flexi rods. Let me move it over here for y'all be like, you know Mary Kay did that thing where her one eye was showing and the other one. They done got a Lord, call her mama, call the church. They ain't got me, honey. That better be the last thing that y'all let the blogs pop off on me. Girl, they done got
user, they done got live.
Now I've done enough Chris Beauty that y'all know about their lace. We're gonna go ahead and talk about this lace right now. Cause you know they always come with receipts, right? The brown lace, the transparent lace, and the clear lace. I have done this test 50 million times and I think y'all probably finna get fed up with it. But I want you to know, I just wanna show y'all. This is the regular brown lace. I'm gonna just press it down so you can see. Now the regular brown lace does not necessarily have to be bad. It just really depends on your complexion. It could work for you. The transparent lace, which is supposed to be better for a multitude of complexions. Every once in a while, when I get transparent lace, I still have to tint the lace. It just depends. Now, this what Chris Beauty hits you with. They new clear lace. Chris Beauty said, we about to knock him out with this one.
Yo, we about to kill him in these lace streets.
This is the clear lace, honey. Look, as soon as I put that sucker on there, it disappeared. Now, don't look at the bottom of it where you can see it right there because that's the frayed part of it. But just because I know somebody out there like,
girl, I see that corner of it. You should have brought it up a little bit.
Bam. That's it. That's all. Okay, there's anything else that needs to be said about that lace? Because see, if you want seamless results, it helps to have some seamless lace. I mean, it just does. So that's up to you. You get whatever lace you want, but I'm just saying, if you going for that show enough, I melted this lace like a Snicker bar on the dirt road in the middle of July in Mississippi. You want to go ahead and get that clear lace. Okay, you just do. And the church say, okay. Oh, this is brown. This is like a chocolate brown. What is this? Hold on a minute. Oh, y'all, I'm hyped. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, this is finna be. Oh my gosh, this is so, y'all, this lace and this hairline, impeccable. Impeccable. They have literally perfected this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is a 20-inch, 200% density. They know. Straight color number 4, 13x6, new clear lace and clean hairline wig. This is the wig. Okay, this is the construction of, oh my gosh, this is gonna be so, I'm not even gonna sit up here and keep doing this with y'all. Let me just put it on my hand so y'all can see. Okay, let me just, look, bam. That's that side of my hand. That's the light skin side of my hand right there. You see how that just blends in? Now let me take you to the chocolate side. Look, that's the chocolate side. Look how it melts, y'all. I ain't making this up, bam. That's the chocolate side. This the light skin side. Either way you flip it, it's blending. Did you see did you see? Did you see that? This how your faith in God is supposed to be right there. No matter which way life flip it, bam, no matter which way, your faith is supposed to stay.
Now I can preach this if I want to.
What else needs to be said? Let me just put this on my head real quick. Real quick. Y'all, I don't know. I be wanting to melt sometimes because I know y'all be wanting to see it melted, but a lot of y'all be wanting it glueless. So I'll be like, I get it. I want it glueless too. I want all the glueless action. I want it to come with big glueless energy. This where you come when you want easy, quick slaves. I try to told y'all. I didn't even tell you. I'm so hype about this wig. It has 4 combs, an adjustable strap, and then the placeholders for the elastic. Bam. Y'all see that in there? Do y'all see that in there? And the lace on the back too that I never talk about. If you want to attach the elastic, bam. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah. Y'all remember when Michelle did that? Oh, honey.
And I ain't even do nothing but put the wig on.
Y'all don't even realize. I'm about to. Y'all. Look at this. Just look. Look this right here. Just look. I told y'all. Didn't I tell you? I'm gonna have to bring my ponytail down. My low ponytail though. Because I can't. Can y'all see? I know y'all can see that. Oh, this color's so pretty. Oh, Chris Beauty, why you do me like that, Chris Beauty? Oh, Lord. Listen, let me tell you something. When my husband get home, I'm about to be so extra. I might actually lay this. I'm inspired to lay this wig. I might just lay it. I'm talking about with spray. I might. Ow! Y'all know. It just depends. Look at that. Let me come up on you like we about to fight. Let me come up on y'all like we finna fight. I'm about to melt this. If y'all can't tell, I'm hype. I'm hype, y'all. Y'all, this is so beautiful. Just look. Hold on. I'm coming up on you one more time. Y'all, just listen. Make sure it's in place with style and grace. I ain't even cut the lace. Hey, I ain't even cut the lace. Y'all, somebody get this wig. Just watch what I do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Bam! Just like that. You a part of the family. Please hit that like. It helps your girl out. I don't have no big machine behind me. It's just me humbly behind the screen trying to promote myself. So y'all listen, I'm telling you, the analytics really helped me. I have Jesus, okay? And Jesus told me that you have not because you ask not. So I'm asking y'all. And I love y'all so much. Let's go ahead and style this. I'm hyped. Let's get it.